Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Today what I got going on for you is I'm showing you how to make it 7 days without washing your hair. I think there's something wrong with this picture here. Since I'm currently on day 7, I should start this video on day 1. Give me a sec while I clean this up. So much better. Okay, so guys, I just washed my hair. This would make it officially day 1 of not washing your hair. The time starts now. Before I start the video and start telling you guys how I go through this process, the most important part is starting off with fully clean hair, especially if you guys are going to be doing this week after week, like literally waiting 7 days every single time you shower or wash your hair. At least I hope you guys are washing your bodies like I wash mine 3 to 4 times during the 7 days. So am I still dirty? Anyway, first thing what I do when I get out of the shower, I like to tussle up my hair. I have naturally completely straight hair and I like to air dry it because it's very fine. There's a lot of it, but it's very, very fine and it tends to kink up. First, when you're in the shower, what you're going to do is you're going to cleanse your hair twice with a shampoo. I like to start with a shampoo from Redken. It's the Redken High Rise, and that one gives you a little bit more of a volume, and I feel that it really lifts any of the extra product that I have been using in my hair from the days before. I feel like it fully lifts it out. And then for a second cleanse, I go in with a purple shampoo. That's to keep my nice blonde locks up here and also to color deposit into my purple down here. So after your double cleanse, you're going to do a conditioner. I like to use this complex something or other from Redken as well. I'll put all the pictures right here. I use that one because it helps mend my ends. I don't like to get my hair trimmed, so I try to keep everything healthy down here. I like to use the AG Hair Care Remedy. This is a apple cider vinegar leave-on mist. So what an apple cider vinegar does is it helps with the pH of your hair. It also helps with shine, and I feel like it does really good with my scalp too. It keeps my natural little baby hairs from breaking, and that's really, really important. So we just spray it right into the roots, and I like to do a little bit on the top and then I go on the side. Oh, this feels so good. Anyway, I pull this product from the roots into the mid shaft of the hair, and then I start to like bring it down a little bit more as I tussle and kind of comb with my fingers. This spray actually helps with detangling as well. I don't know if I said that already. So I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner as well too. Leave-in conditioners are very, very important, especially for the winter time.
So listen up, ladies.
This is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, and this one's for the blondes. I think I want to go back to the original. Love this stuff, but I've had it for a long time and I'm kind of just trying to use it up, I guess. But this has been in my literal hair routine for the last 2 years, I want to say. Okay, at this point, if you guys can see this, I'm combing through the bottom of my hair. Holy crap, I'm shedding. Let's do a little beauty guru look at that right here. I start by making my hair into like a low ponytail with my fingers and like pulling the product through the ends, and then we comb upward. I typically don't take any heat through my hair for the first day. I do use a heat protectant during the second day. Yeah, this is day 1 hair. I usually just go to work like this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay fam, so this is second day hair. Basically what I do with my second day hair is it pretty much looks slept on. There might be a little bit of like crunchies in it from my headband when I was putting on my makeup or from having my hair up in a ponytail. I actually already took measures to help with my little calyx and stuff like that. So I sleep with my hair up in a bun right here. So all of this stuff right here gets like very calicky looking, it gets greasy. So before I do anything with my hair, I go in with a spray bottle and completely spray it down. I do this every single day after I wake up. That way all of my hair lays nice again and it dries straight usually. On the second day, it still looks pretty shiny. I do like to brush through the ends just because it tends to get a little mingly down up underneath here. So I like to brush through my hair and then I take a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is going to be my best friend for making my hair last longer throughout the week without having to wash it. I always go right down the middle and then I pull up either side Obviously, typically I do more dry shampoo than this, but I had already dry shampooed it this morning and I don't want to overdo it. And I only ever dry shampoo my hair after my hair is completely done drying from spraying my little wispy bits earlier. Typically, what I've been trying to do is I've been trying not to put heat on it until the 3rd day. So the 2nd day, I usually just leave it straight and natural. I might straighten it a little bit more too, but for the most part, I kind of just brush it out and let it be. Good morning. So it's day 3. I obviously just got out of bed and washed my face. Grab my spray water bottle. As you can see, these flyaways are just doing exactly what they want to do. Well, I'm over there, so give a nice spray down. I also get like really frizzy bits right here. The reason why I sprayed my hair down is because my hair is naturally straight, so it's just gonna go back out to straight. Now we're gonna do this back here because I always wear my hair up in a bun or in a ponytail for bed. Alright, so sprayed my hair. Next, we're going to brush through. I don't know why I've been liking brushing my hair so much. Like literally, it's maybe been the last week. Otherwise, for getting my hair to go 7 days without showering, I never brush my hair. I'm wearing my boyfriend's shirt. He's so cute. I have my 3-barrel and I'm gonna 3-barrel my hair today. Next we go in with our dry shampoo. You guys know this is like my BFF. Right down the part. Go back into the back and start working it up. Just make sure she's nice and crazy. So this way it gives you a little bit of volume for day 4. Good morning, my people. It is day 4. Hair is undeniably greasy now. The back of your head should look kind of like that. So honestly, at this point, if I were a regular human being, I would wash my hair, but it's still pretty nice and ratty on the bottom and we want to keep that look. Start off today like any other day. Spray bottle. And what I'm gonna do is part it semi down the middle. And we're gonna spray that back in the back and getting the back completely wet. Don't forget to pull up all the hair around the greasy calic. So I'm going to Colorado today, so we're doing travel hair, and then I'm going to a concert tonight. Alright, so I went through my hair with a 3-barrel dry shampoo. We're gonna part it down the middle in the back, and then I'm taking either side and I'm going to do little chunky braids. This has been my favorite thing to wear in the car because it keeps my hair in one spot. My hair can fall out whenever it wants to, so it looks like kind of cute and messy. Alright, we're gonna pull out little front pieces. Voila! And you're ready for a car ride. I leave my hat off for most of the drive just so I don't lose the volume and so that my part doesn't get greasy again. But she's pretty cute, huh? Whatever. Okay guys, so for day 4, I actually ended up wearing my hair like this all day. I went to a Jessie Reyez concert with my friend Taya. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun. Hair looks super good. Then we wake up the next morning. I only got pictures of day 5 because day 5, you know, day 5 hair is day 5 hair. It's still pretty ratty, still pretty greasy, but I wore it down and then I just put a beanie over top of it, still doing that dry shampoo in the mix as well. This is day 6, so day 6 is even greasier. I really couldn't do much with it other than put it in a ponytail, and on this day we were driving back from Denver, so it looks pretty good, looks pretty fine, still looking very dirty, nice. Hello you guys, guess what day it is? It's day 7. You look and feel a freaking mess. So uncomfortable. The bottoms of your hair are going to be extremely dry and gross. If you're like me, so I have this whole little matted piece right here, and then back here is just absolutely horrendous. I hope you guys could see that. For day 7, this is called my hack day hair. You guys can do this on day 6 as well too, but I recommend it on day 7. First, what I'm going to start by doing is I'm combing out the bottom of my hair. I start with the bottom, that way it gets all the gnarlies out first, and any breakage, and then we work the brush up into the hair. We completely brush it out, and then it's still in a middle part from day 5, I think. So all we're gonna do today is we're just gonna get it wet. Next thing we're gonna do, all we did in the shower was get hair wet. I'm going to take my favorite leave-in conditioner. This is it's a 10 into the ends of my hair and start to work it up the top. All right, now I'm going to part my hair right down the middle. We're gonna do some chunky Dutch braids all the way down. And voila, you guys, you have 7-day hair. So the great thing about doing this when your hair is so greasy is that it'll look like you put it in wet braids, and the braids will look wet all day, but it's actually just the grease. And then, as you guys may know, wash it out tomorrow morning or wash it out tonight. Alright, so apparently I filmed an intro, but I didn't film an outro, so that was how to go 7 days without washing your hair. I know this video was super duper long, so if you made it this far, please go like and subscribe this video and try it out yourself. Tell me how you do. I like not washing my hair. I like washing my body and not my hair. I feel like hair is like a whole other thing. I'm an esthetician, I'm a makeup artist, like I'd rather work with the face and with the skin than do the stupid hair thing. Thank you again for watching my beauty babies. I will see you in my next one.